How to grow carnation flowers for fast flowering for ornamental plants for beginners. Carnation or carnation flowers are known as Dianthus caryophyllus, which belongs to the Dianthus family. In Greek, the flower is known as the flower of the gods. Carnation flowers are flowers that can grow in the tropics. Flower carnation is quite popular among flower lovers. This flower is always present at various celebrations, whether wedding or flowers of condolence. There are various colors of carnation flowers ranging from red, pink, yellow, peach, white and many others. The following is how to grow carnation flowers to quickly flower for ornamental plants for complete beginners. 1. Preparation of carnation flower seeds. Carnation flowers can be propagated through seeds. Use carnation seeds that are completely dry, then select seeds that are large, uniform and dense. After the seeds are selected, then wash the seeds and soak them in water for a day and a night. Use only sinking seeds and remove floating seeds. 2. How to sow carnation flower seeds. After the seeds are ready, then do the seeding. Sowing carnation flower seeds can be done in pot containers or using trays that have been filled with media. Prepare the planting medium in the form of a mixture of soil and compost or manure with a ratio of 1:1. Next, put the media into a pot container and give a little pressure so that the media is solid. After that, spread the carnation seeds on the surface of the media and cover them with loose soil. Watering using water so that the humidity of the media is maintained and stimulates seeds to germinate. Place it in a shaded place with shade and not exposed to direct sunlight. After 3 to 4 days the sprouts will begin to appear, giving insecticidal sprays to avoid the young plants being damaged by crickets. 3. How to grow carnation flowers in pots and in yards. After the carnation flower seeds have 3 to 4 numbers of leaves that have fully bloomed, then do the transfer of plants. Prepare a medium-sized pot with a diameter of 15 to 20 inches. Fill the bottom of the pot with broken bricks to help air circulation. Then enter the planting medium in the form of a mixture of soil and manure or compost. After that, move the seeds into the pot. Perform regular watering, and to make it easier for plants to adapt, to place plants in locations that are not exposed to direct sunlight. After the carnation plant has a height of 10 to 13 inches, the plant can be moved outdoors. If you want to move to the yard, the planting distance is about 25 to 30 inches. 4. Carnation flower care. The treatments that need to be done on this carnation flower plant include: A. Place the plant in a shady place. Do not be exposed to direct sunlight, because carnation flowers are very susceptible to high temperatures. If the condition is too hot, it is better to put the flowers into the house or put flowers on the terrace. B. Also do regular watering, that is 1 time a day. The watering is best done in the morning, but do not let the water in the water, remember, because it will cause root rot and fungal attack. C. In addition, do additional fertilizer to stimulate the color of the flower more attractive. That is our video that discusses how to grow carnation flowers to quickly flower for ornamental plants for beginners. Hopefully the video that we present can be useful for all of us. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you later, and thank you for visiting our channel.